car repairs. The FEIN MultiMaster is the ideal tool for everyone who regularly repairs or renovates cars. Cut sheet steel and plastics up to a maximum 1 mm thick with the HSS segment blades, free of burrs and non-warping, and with a minimum of flying sparks, without complicated touch-up work. Panel work can also be professionally repaired. The FEIN MultiMaster enables professional work without any compromises. Even paint flaws and damage that you would otherwise have to sand by hand are a job for the FEIN MultiMaster. High sanding capacity and an even sanding pattern are guaranteed. FEIN's felt polishing set quickly brings a bright shine back to paintwork and chrome. With the rigid stopping knife, you'll even remove underbody seal and other stubborn coatings in the best possible time. The sanding finger is very effective for working tight or hidden spots. With the FEIN MultiMaster, vehicles will shine with a new gleam.